Hi, in today's fast-paced telecommunications industry, having accurate and up-to-date customer information isn't just a logistical task, it's a game changer. To meet rising demand for personalized information and precise customer interactions, telecom providers need high-quality centralized data. That's where the Registration Data Centralization project, powered by Camunda, comes in. By creating a single source of truth across CRMs and legacy systems and providing real-time synchronization through APIs, this initiative shows how centralized registration processes can elevate data accuracy, simplify operations, and take customer service to the next level. Hi, I'm Raimundo Júnior. I'm head of hyperautomation here at NTConsult. I'm Camunda champion and Camunda certified professional. Let's take a look at this project and how it can streamline your customer data and your customer experience. As I mentioned, to have your registration and data centralization process up to speed, I'm sharing with you here a few components, a few assets that you can use to speed up your process implementation and have your solution ready as soon as possible. To explain a bit more about this solution, I have three BPMN processes. The first one is the inconsistency handling, the second one is the B2C ticket handling, and the third one is the B2B ticket handling. All of these processes are tested via play feature and ready to go. We still have 3 DMNs to work with your business rules and 3 forms to make this process resilient. Let's take a look at the main process, which is the inconsistency handling. This is the overview of this main process, but I want to explain to you the details of this solution. The first thing here is that we can have more than one inconsistency source. Here I have 2, but you can have 3, 4, or even more sources to receive the inconsistency and deal with them. For the source one, we have here our process being triggered, and after that we're gonna load our file to work with our customer data. For the second source, we're gonna be receiving all the information at the start message event, and after that we need to validate the duplicity of each event. Following our solution, after receiving all the information that we need, we're going to start our multi-instance embedded sub-process. Here, we're going to perform the screening for all inconsistencies that we might have here in our data set. So after that, we're going to adjust the ticket type and validate inconsistency. If we get any error here, we can save the inconsistency, and after that, we can validate it manually. Of course, we can save the inconsistency after validate it, and we can finish our embedded sub-process. We need to execute this sub-process for each dataset based on our customer information. After executing this embedded multi-instance sub-process, we're going to execute this service test to separate inconsistency by flow. I'm going to separate the case by B2C case and B2B case. For B2C case, we're gonna search the ticket, and if we get any error, we're gonna search ticket manually. Of course, we can create this user test for one of our team members taking action in this process. After that, we're gonna call the handle ticket B2C sub process. We have almost the same flow here for the B2B case, where we're gonna have this embedded multi-instance sub process searching the ticket, and after that, starting our handle ticket B2B sub-process, which is this sub-process here, which is available with our registration data centralization blueprint solution. So download this blueprint and you can save time, money, and effort with this ready-to-go blueprint. See you in another video.